Yale Real Living Touchscreen Lever Lock Programming. Advanced Lock Settings. Automatic Relock. Touch the screen with the back of your hand or fingers to activate. For this example, we have set the master PIN code to 1234. Enter master PIN code 1234 followed by the pound key to enter the main menu.
Press the pound key to continue.
In menu mode, select 3 for Advanced Lock Settings followed by the pound key.
Press 1 for auto relock. Press 2 for inside indicator light. Press
In this
3 for
example, we are
one-touch
setting
lock.
Auto Relock. We will press 1 followed by the pound key to select Auto
Press the
Relock.
pound key to continue. Press 1 to enable. Press 3 to disable.
We will press 1 followed by the pound key to enable the Auto Relock feature.
Press the pound key to continue.
Now we will continue to show an example of disabling the Auto Relock setting while we are still in the Advanced Settings mode. Enter
Press 1
pound
for
to
auto
continue.
relock. Press 2 for inside indicator light. Press 3 for one-touch locking.
Press 1 followed by pound for Auto Relock.
Setting mode. Press the pound key to continue. Press 1 to enable. Press 3 to disable.
Press 3 followed by pound to disable Auto Relock.
Disable. Press the pound key to continue. Disabled. Press the pound key to continue.
Press
the star
star
key
to complete.
Completed.